Wala malakas. Thank you guys. From the day we arrive on the planet, and the blinking step into the sun, there's more to see that can never be seen, more to do that can never be done. There's far too much to take in here. Thank you so much. More to find that can never be done. But the sun rolling high through the sapphire sky keeps great and small on the endless round in the circle of life, and its moves and song through despair and hope, through pain and love, till we find our place on the path unwinding in the circle of life. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Welcome to my live house, and I am Abdul Shapakalin from Sugar Roll Family Agency, and welcome to my live house, guys. Yeah. Especially to our beloved manager. Welcome, guys. Thank you for the recom and gifts and everything. Thank you, guys. Attention! In the circle of life, and it moves us all through despair and hope, through pain and love, till we find our place on the path unwinding in the circle. Ayun na nga. In the circle of life. Woo! Happy na eh. Thank you for coming, guys. Alright, sige, mag-chillax muna tayo.
Luscious cream filling,
Pare.
matcha flavored moist cake. New love
Chill songs pero nabirit kayo.
complete.
Wala eh, chill naman yun eh. Actually, nakaka-chill naman yun. Ako, nag-chill ako dito. So, there's a calm surrender to the rush of day, when the heat of a rolling wind can be turned away. An enchanted moment, and it sees me through. It's enough for this restless warrior just to be with you. And can you feel the love tonight? It is where we are. It's enough for this wide-eyed wanderer that we got this far. Naglag ang laptop ko. Anong nangyari? Ngayon ang signal. What happened? Oh, thank you. Thank you for being a popular pick on my stream. Anong nangyari? Bakit tumigil? What happened? Tumigil. Anyway, sige. Stop this. Ano yung tumigil ang aking music? Ganun tayo. Para masaya. Hey! Welcome guys! Thank you for the following. I will follow you after this. Don't worry. Hey! I got this feeling inside my bones. It goes electric baby when I'm turning on. All to my city, all to my home. We're flying up the ceiling when we are song. I got that sunshine in my pocket, got that good soul in my feet. I'll be the whole God in my body when it drops. Ooh, I can take my eyes off it, moving so phenomenally. Come on, like the way we rock it, don't stop. And under the lights, when everything goes, nowhere to hide when I'm getting you close. When we move, we're already know. Just imagine, yeah. Nothing, see but you when you dance, dance, dance. Feeling good, creeping up on you. Just dance, dance, dance. Come on. All those things I shouldn't do, but you dance, dance, dance. And ain't nobody leaving, so just keep dancing. I can't stop the feeling. Just dance, dance, dance. Can't stop the feeling. Just dance, dance, dance. Come on. Ooh, it's something magical. It's in the air, it's in my blood, it's rushing on. No reason, don't need control. I fly so high, no ceiling when I'm in my soul. Cause I got that sunshine in the pocket, got that good soul in my feet. I've been hot in the body when it drops. Ooh, I can take my eyes off it, moving so phenomenally. You more like the way we rock it, just stop. And under the lights, when everything goes, nowhere to hide when I'm getting you close. Where we move, we're already know. So just imagine, just imagine. Nothing I can see but you when you dance, dance, dance. Creeping up on you, just dance, dance, dance. Come on, all those things I shouldn't do, but you dance, dance, dance. And I ain't nobody leaving, so just keep dancing. I can't stop the feeling. Just dance, dance, dance. I can't stop the feeling. Just dance, dance, dance. Can't stop the feeling. Just dance, dance, dance. Can't stop the feeling. Keep dancing. Come on, yay! Magandang hapon sa lahat. Welcome to my live house. And I am once again, I am one of you sa Kalimpo. Hey, thank you for following and especially sa mga gifts. Recommend cards, thank you guys. Hey! I can't stop the feeling. You dance, dance, dance. And I'm feeling good, creeping on you. Dance, dance, dance. Come on! All those things I shouldn't do, but you dance, dance, dance. And I'm ain't nobody living, so just keep dancing. Everybody sing, got this feeling in the body. Got this feeling in the body. Wanna see you move your body. Got this feeling in the body. Break it down, got this feeling in the body. Got this feeling in my body. Oh. Yeah. Alright, thank you guys sa mga tips and everything. Maraming salamat. Thank you. Another chill song. Sige, mag-party tayo. Now, mga follows. Hey! 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 Nakaka-relate si ating siyang dito. Pop! Do you remember the 21st night of September? I was changing the minds of pretenders while we're chasing the clouds away. Our hearts were ringing, indicated the songs we're singing as we dance in the night. Remember how the stars stole the nights away. So would you, holding hands with your heart to see you, only good time to love. Remember how we knew love was here to stay. Now December low, from the love that we shared in September, only good time to love. Remember that true love we shared today. Hey, 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 body up. Say that you remember, body up. Dancing in September, body up. Never was a night today. There was a body up. Say you remember, body up. Dancing in September, body up. God knows that you shine today. The world was ringing, so we're singing, yeah, 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 yeah. You remember, never know there was somebody say that you remember, body dancing in September, body never was a good day. Say your body up, say that you remember, body up, dancing in September, body up, God knows this was shine today. Body yada yada yada, body yada yada yada, body yada yada Hey! Thank you guys, maraming salamat. Thank you for coming. Hey, thank you so much. Sa mga Rico, may ayos yan, palambing lang po ulit. Maraming salamat. SRF!
Pag inuulan, hindi malas yan. Dito sa Buenas, uulanin ka ng swerte sa dami ng bonuses at rewards. Ano pang hinihintay?
It's already 4:14 and meron pa tayong 15 minutes. Thank you guys. Thank you, Liquor Band! Hey! I saw you dancing in the crowded room. You look so happy when I'm not with you. But then you saw me, caught you by surprise. A single teardrop falling from your eye. I don't know why I run away. I'll make you cry when I run away. Thank you. walking past me wasn't there. Just pretending like you didn't care. I don't know why I run away. Oh girl, I'll make you cry when I run away. Hey, thank you. So take me back, 'cause I wanna stay. Save your tears for another. Save your tears for another day. Thank you so much. I said save your tears for another day. Lakshmi, thank you so much. Ooh, so when you think that I will always stay, I said some things that I should never say. You done broke your heart and someone did to mine, and now you would love me for the second time. I don't know why I run away. Oh girl, so to make you cry when I run away. Hey! Girl, take me back, 'cause I wanna stay. Save your tears for another. I realize that it's much too late, and you deserve someone better. Save your tears for another day. I said save your tears for another day. I don't know why I run away. Ganun. I'll make it right when I run away. Save your tears for another day. Oh, oh. I said save your tears for another day. I said save your tears for another day. I said save your tears for another day. Save your tears for another day. Ito maganda to. The next.
Cheese Whiz has calcium that helps make your bones strong. Cheese Whiz.
Tangkandang to.
Essentiale Forte P 2.0.
Ang dami kong ads. Pasensya na guys. Hello. Holding on your rope got me 10 feet off the ground. I'm hearing what you say, but you just can't make a sound. You tell me that you need me, then you go and cut me down. But wait, you tell me that you're sorry, didn't think I'd turn around and say, hey, it's too late to apologize. It's too late. I said it's too late to apologize. It's too late. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I take another chance, take a fall, take a shot for you. I need you like a heart needs a beat. It's not to you. Yeah, yeah. I love it with the fire, and now it's turning blue. And you say, you saw me like the angel, never let me think what's you. But I'm afraid it's too late to apologize. It's too late. I said 10 feet off the ground. Thank you so much. Ayan, 21 minutes. Gagawin ko siguro yung challenge pag nakapiki ko na si Ina para masaksihan ni Ate Rar. No? Gusto ko nakikita ni Ate Rar. Eh. Okay lang ba, manager? Gawin ko yung challenge kapag kapiki ko na si Ate Rar para at least may tagatawa ako.
Extra higos sa work kaya nagkurulog suhawak.
Pwede.
Dapat extra man ang sayo
Doon
mo
ko gagawin. Para may audience din.
Works up to 3 times
Hindi ko
faster.
masasarili yung tawa ko. Hey! For the last song, bago natin gawin ang ating challenge. I want you to stay. Hey! Till I'm in the grave. Till I rolled away. Dead and buried. Till I'm in the casket to carry. If you're going to. Cause it was always you. And if I turn you blue, please don't say that. Nothing left to lose without my baby. Birds of a feather, we should stick together. I know I said I never think I wasn't better. I know changing the weather might not be forever, but it's forever. It's even better. And I don't know what I'm crying for. I don't think I could love you more. I might be long, but baby, I love you till the day that I die. Till the day that I die. Till the lights with my eyes. Till the day that I die. I want you to see how you look to me. You wouldn't believe if I told you. You would keep the compliments I throw ya. But you're so full of shit. Tell me it's a bit. Say you don't see it. Your mind's small, you die. Say you wanna be, don't be stupid. And I don't know what I'm buying. I don't think I can love you more. Might not be long, but baby, don't wanna say goodbye till the day that I die. In a lost in my eyes till the day that I die. You in another life. You had that same look in your eyes. I love you, don't hesitate. Ayan na! Kikay ko na si Ate. Si Ate Ran. Kasi na si Ate Ran. Hey, Ate Ran, mag-live ka na! Dali! Nasaan ka na? Hindi kita makita. Wala si Ate Rar! Hey, Ate Rar, mag-live ka na. Bilisan pa. Dali, magbigay na tayo. Dali, game. Nasaan ka na? Maglalaro tayo.
While you're watching this Monday.com ad, Michael clicked the star, and Monday Sidekick scanned vendor quotes, dropped the data into the board, and sorted it high to low. That's what we call AI efficiency. Monday Sidekick. AI you'll love to.
Saan ka na, Tira? Hindi makita. Hindi ko makaano. Naka-live na siya. Okay, sige. Wait. Hindi ko siya makita. Ina Moro. Ayan na si Ina. Ayan na.
Ay,
Magtitimpla tayo ng...
isasama mo kami ngayon, magtitimpla kayo ng kape.
Isasama kita. magtitimpla tayo ng kape. La.
Oh, gusto ko lang ipakilala sa inyo si Abdul. Isasama niya tayo sa kusina. Magtitimpla tayo ng kape niya. O sino pa
Titimpla tayo
inumin mo
ng
niyan
kape.
ngayon? Oh, ang layo ng nilalakad ni Abdul. So kulang yung 3 minutes para magtimpla ng kape. Bilisan mo! Ang bagal.
Mabilis lang to. Huwag ka mag-rush.
Bitbit niya yung
Mabilis
setup
lang
niya.
to.
Ang angas mo dyan Bitbit mo setup mo
Bit ko rin. Kala mo ba?
Bitbit
Ano
niya
pa?
yung setup niya. Sige guys,
Oo, bakit?
hindi natin i-end tong PK na to hanggat wala siyang napapainom ng kape.
Teka lang, papakita ko lang yung kape natin. Ito yung sa'yo, puro eh. Sa akin, syempre, ayoko naman
O sige, nakikita namin, di ba? Bilisan na, dami daldal. Timplahin mo na yan.
Teka lang, paano mo titignan ng ano?
Kopi ko Brown. Endorser po siya ng Kopi ko Brown. So, shout out sa Kopi ko. Paki-sponsor kay Abdul isang karton.
Wait lang.
Sana may uminom. Sino kaya iinom niyan?
Inom yan.
Kung papayag si Germany na ako iinom, bibit-bitin mo, magtitimpla din tayo ng kape. Tapos tanghaling tapat din ano?
Alam mo, ito pa rin pupunta.
Wala, hindi na ako magcha-challenge. Nakiuso ko sa mga kasama ko sa bahay, sa mga housemates ko. Sabi ko, pagtitimpla ko kayo ng ice coffee, maglalatay tayo.
Ice.
Malamig ba? Ayaw.
Oo, sarap yun.
Ayaw nila Wala tayong choice. Wala tayong no choice doon. So, in 1 minute, guys, abangan natin na magpainom siya ng kape. Ang bagal.
Teka lang. Bilis lang nga.
Pero bit-bit niya yung setup niya, guys, no? Very good. Ang layo nga. Ang tagal niya magtimpla ng kape.
Ito na yung kape.
Sino iinom?
Buksan mo yung iinom. Itong iinom. Siyang iinom.
Dalhin mo sa labas ng bahay.
Dito tayo sa labas ng bahay.
Sa
Halika,
pinto. Dali.
Dito tayo sa labas.
Bilisan mo.
Dito tayo sa labas.
Yan guys, ganyan po magpainom ng kape si Abdul. Buti hindi niya pinanguya ng purong kape.
Hinihigit ko talaga. Halika dito tayo uminom ng kape.
Oy, kailangan may talent fee yan. Oo, pwede na yan. Nasa labas yan ng bahay. Outdoor na yan. Painumin mo na. Dali. At magla-live house na ako.
Dali! Magdala-live sa to! Siya yung
Ay, inom na ate. Ay, iinom na. Guys, yan na. Pinapainom niya na ng kape. Ayun, very good. So, mag-end na ako, Abdul, End na natin to.
Challenge accepted. Okay na, manager.
Yan. Yan. May napainom siyang kape. Sana ako din may iinom ng kape. Kaso wala. So, welcome guys sa aking live house after 3 long months. Tagal nun. 3 long months ako hindi nakapag-live house. Gusto nyo yon? Sisirain ko muna yung tenga nyo. Ganda lang panlaban natin ulit.
Try new Fairy 5X Power Action.
So again guys, I'm Roar. Roar! Naganda lang ang bitbit. Hindi ako papayag today na mas maganda si Ate Insyang. Ako talaga today. Chill-chill lang tayo sa Gedli habang nagkakape. Chalu! Di ako papayag na mas maganda si Insyang. Hi, Ate Glyza! you. Fly me to the moon and let me play among the stars. Let me see what spring is like in Jupiter and Mars. In other words, hold my hand. May magagawa ako. Gusto mo ng echo na nasa simbahan? Fill my heart with song and let me sing forevermore. Okay na, Jello? You are all I long for, all I worship and adore. In other words, please be true. In other words, I love you. Oh. Thank you, Katie. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Good afternoon, good evening, everyone. Good afternoon pa lang pala. Fly me to the moon and let me play among the stars. Let me see what spring is like on Jupiter and Mars. In other words, hold my hand. In other words, darling, kiss me. Fill my heart with song and let me sing forevermore. Jello, sana hindi ako maalat. All I worship and adore. In other words, please be true. In other words, I love you. In other words, medyo malakas ang echo. Ate Nene! Diba? Gusto kasi ni Jello ng may echo. Hindi ako naninigaw, guys. So, hindi ko po alam tong kanta. Can I call you baby? Can you be my friend? Can you be my lover up until the very end? Let me show you love, don't no pretend. Stick by my side even when the world is caving in. Oh, don't you worry, I'll be there whenever you want me. I need somebody who can love me at my worst. No, I'm not perfect. Ay, gibricks di ay. Cause it's only you, nobody knew I put you first. And for you, boy, I swear I do the worst. Oh, 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 oh. Thank you for following. Welcome, everyone. I can feel those places in your heart no one else can. Let me show you love, oh no pretend. I'll be by your, you know it's sink or swim. Oh, don't you worry, I'll be there whenever you want me. I need somebody who can love me at my worst. No, I'm not perfect, but I hope you see my worth. 'Cause it's only you, nobody you, I put you first. And for you, boy, I swear, what you do worst. Sige lang, Jello, ka lang. Bricks nga, times 999, unta. Ayaw, bricks din na. Gawas yun yung kuwan niya. I need somebody who can love me at my worst. No, I'm not perfect, but I hope you see my worth. 'Cause it's only you, nobody knew I put you first. And for you, boy, I swear, I do the worst. So, diretso na nato ni. Thank you everyone for coming. Thank you for the gifts. Ay, nag-medley siya. Nag-medley siya, guys. Bigla siya nag-medley. Pass tayo sa medley kay matagal yun siya matapos. Thank you everyone for coming. Sa mga nagsusugal, thank you. You gave me hope, the strength, the will to keep on. No one else could make me feel this way. And only you can bring out the best that I can do. I believe you turn the tide and make me feel real good inside. You push me up when I'm about to give up. You're on my side when no one seems to listen. And if you go, you know the tears can't help but show. You'll break the heart and tear it apart. Then suddenly the madness starts. It's your smile, your face, your lips that I miss. The sweet little eyes that stare with me and make me say, I'm with you through all the way. 'Cause it's you who fills the emptiness in me. It changes everything you see when I know I've got you with me. Welcome everyone. You push me up when I'm about to give up. You're on my side when no one seems to listen. And if you go, you know the tears can't help but show. You'll break this heart and tear it apart. Then suddenly the madness starts. It's your smile, your face, your lips that I miss. The sweet little eyes that stare with me and make me say, I'm with you through all the way. 'Cause it's you who fills the emptiness in me. It changes everything you see when I know we've got you with me. Thank you so much everyone for the recommendation cards. It's your smile, your face, your lips that I miss. The sweet little eyes that stare with me and make me say, I'm with you through all the way. 'Cause it's you who fills the emptiness changes everything you see. When I know I've got you with me. Thank you so much, everyone. So, sana okay pa yung mga ears nyo dyan, di ba? Saglit na lang to, guys. Pero sana may iinom ng kape ko, di ba? Kaso wala eh. Takpan mo lang tainga mo. I look into your eyes so far away. There's trouble on your mind. You're losing faith. Thank you for following. Hey now, let me hold you. It will be okay. 'Cause I will love you till they take my heart away. Remember when you told Jello Windy goodbye. We thought we'd lost it all, and so did I. Even if I lost you, I would feel the same. I will love you till they take my heart away. Believe I'm here to stay. I will love you till they take my heart away. Thank you for following. Sana okay pa yung mga ears nyo. Now we're stronger than before. We've made it through. I've never felt more sure because of you. Hey now, are you listening? When you hear me say, I will love you till they take my heart away. Believe I'm here to stay. I will love you till they take my heart away. Believe in me, I'm here to stay. I will love you till they take my heart away, 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 away. I will love you till they take my heart away, 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 away. I will love you till they take my heart away. Welcome back, Ate Neneng. Pinagpahinga mo ba yung ears mo sa labas? Thank you so much, everyone. Welcome again and again, and thank you, and again and again. Bossa Nova yun. Kung ika'y magiging akin, di ka na muling luluha pa. Pangakong di ka lolokohin ng puso kong nagmamahal. Kung ako ay papalari, na ako'y iyong mahal na rin. Pangakong ikaw lang ang iibigin, magpakailanman. Di kita pipilitin, sundin mo pa iyong damdamin. Hayaan na lang tumibok ang puso mo para sa akin. Kung ako ay mamalasin at mayroon ka ng ibang mahal, ngunit patuloy ang aking pag-ibig, tapos na. Di kita pipilitin, sundin mo pa iyong damdamin. Hayaan na lang tumibok ang puso mo para sa akin. Kung ako ay papalari, na ako'y iyong mahal na rin. Iibigin, magpakailanman. Di kita pipilitin, sundin mo pa iyong damdamin. Hayaan na lang tumibok ang puso mo para sa akin. Di kita pipilitin, sundin mo pa iyong damdamin. Hayaan na lang tumibok ang puso mo para sa akin. Welcome, Ate Kulitsky! Ate Kulits, late ka. May oras pa pala. O, last song na natin bago natin invite ang pinakamagandang bullfrog. Walang off shoulder, may papuwet lang. Ayan o. Gusto mo ba? Hindi. Gusto mo ba ng balikat? Buksan natin to. Hindi pwede. Yan lang yan. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. You'd be like heaven to touch. Oh, I wanna hold you so much. And long as love has arrived, and I thank God I'm alive. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. Pardon the way that I stare. There's nothing else to compare. The thought of you leaves me weak. There are no words left to speak. But if you feel what I feel, then let me know that it's real. You're just too good to be true. Then take my eyes. So, hindi ako makasayaw, te. Nakapajama ako sa baba. Nakapajama. Hindi rin ako pwede mag-off shoulder. Makikita ang strap ng grass. You know? Gusto mo nang pabalikat? I love you, baby. And if it's quite alright, I need you, baby. Oh, strap, oh. Pero bago yan. Victoria's Secret yan. Oh, pretty baby. Every time I pray, oh, pretty baby. Now that I found you, stay and let me love you, baby. Let me love you. Ganun talaga pag 3 months ka na daw hindi naka-live house. Baliw-baliw ka na. You'd be like heaven to touch. Oh, I wanna hold you so much. And long as love has arrived, and I thank God I'm alive. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. Hindi lang pwede tumayo, te. Nakapajama lang ako, te. If it's quite alright, I need you, baby. To warm the lonely night, I love you, baby. Trust in me when I say next week. Oh, pretty baby, then bring me down, I pray, oh, pretty baby. Now that I found you, stay and let me love you, baby. Let me love you. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. You'd be like heaven to touch. Oh, I wanna hold you so much. And long as love has arrived, and I thank God I'm alive. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. Ipipigil natin sa Tinsyang. At dahil hindi ako magtitimpla ng kape, kakantahan natin siya ng paborito niya. 1 minute, pipigil natin. Wala kasing iinom ng kape ko. Yun ang problema. Kaya hindi na lang ako magtitimpla. I love you, baby. And if it's quite alright, I need you, baby. To warm the lonely night, I love you, baby. Trust in me when I say I need you, baby, to run the lonely nights. Ano na natin to? Tapos, pipiki na natin si Atin Siyang. Tapos, papakilala natin siya. Tapos, kakantahan natin siya ng paborito niya. Welcome, everyone! Pipiki na natin si Atin Siyang. Tapos naka-intro na to. For my last song, everyone. Bago ko siya ipakilala. Ganda siya, di ba? Mas maganda pa rin ako.
Hey, wala kang magagawa. Sorry.
And I never thought I'd feel this way. And as far as I'm concerned, I'm glad I get the chance to say that I do believe I love you. And if I should ever go away, well then close your eyes and try feel the way we do today. And then if you can pinipilit niya lang yan, Ticolets. Keep smiling, keep shining, knowing you can always count on me, for sure. And that's what friends are for.
Wala, matibay na to, guys.
For good times and bad times, I'll be on your side forevermore. And that's what friends are for.
Ready na yung kape ko.
Wala tayong kakape guys, wala kasing iinom. So kakantahan na lang natin. Now open me, and now there's so much more I see. And so by the way, I thank you and
Follow mo.
for the times when we're apart.
Nababas ka.
Holding close your eyes and now these words are coming from my heart. Tigasin na siya, te. Na-practice na niya.
Oo.
Remember,
Hindi na ako yung guys.
it's
ako
my
pwede
love.
tumawag.
Na-practice na niya na huwag siyang umiyak. So, hindi ko na itutuloy to. Ganon. Siya.